Hey guys, just going to do a quick daily review real quick. Let me go to OMH. I think it made some pre-moves. Yes, there's a lot of fibs, so it must have. Right here. Yeah, I took this move right here. I know this little stair step all the time. Works pretty clean. Basically when it just starts stair stepping back up. Probably would have taken this one, but I don't know. I'm trying to find a balance in my life with it not doing this over. Took this trade as well right here. This was an easy target one. I'm basically seeing these little tops right here, and then these are starting to go back up. So that was like the little confluence area of taking this trade to here. If you wanted to do it even safer with the shallow W, you could have done this, and you still would have got your target one. So that is a very easy play right here, but I definitely take the trade over here every time once it starts stair stepping up from that downfall to 2 tries. Also at the open, I think it went, yeah, that was the one that double topped early. I think that one. And then if you're smart enough, you would have got this play right here. This is the best play I like. This probably would have been a nice safe entry too right here. That's about as good as you're going to get right here. This one is a perfect little shallow W. Basically when it does less the next time, that's what I keep looking for. So if you've drawn your fibs, I'm sure you'd had a 4-to-1 ratio. Here's another easy trade, and then the bigger trade is here, and then it finally broke in pre. And all that just means it just did a lot of work in pre. Look at 1, 2, 3, and about another set of run-ups. So that's a lot of run-ups. So drawing my fibs from here to here, right here, that is almost 2 full fibs after it already did 1. And if you look at this one, yeah, 2 full sets of fibs. That's the pattern I like the most right there. Broke out pretty good, just took a little time to develop, but yes, it did nice and clean. One couple run-ups real quick. And then this one, scored this one pretty good. Right here, you'll see this. This is a very large pull flag, kind of like you're dealing with a large cap stock. And basically what it did 3 run-ups early. I luckily caught this part right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw what I caught in pre, and I did post this blank fib here. And if I post blank fibs, I'm basically going to show you they're going to hit target in 1 and target 2 after that. But this actually hit target 3 and 4, and then it broke down. I took this trade. I know this trade right here. And I took this one as well right here. Took another one right here as well. Not just breaking VWAP, but there's a little other structure there. You're seeing that each time, if you notice, volume comes in, pulls back, volume comes in. So just a big fight. And then this is the granddaddy one right here. So I know this trade all day long. I take this trade. It actually looks like the exact same trade I took on the other one if I show you, watch. So it went up, down, and it kept stair stepping. So let me pull this little angle right here so I can show you what it looks like right here. And then you see the buyers are willing to pay more. It's not symmetrical, but what it does is eventually you can just say this right here. Let me just capture that and go here. That's another confirmation. You can go right there, but it broke real quick. And then this long play here, but I just took this to VWAP. That's an easy first trade. And then the target 2 was a lot higher. But then when it broke here, it had blue skies for a bit and ran up very good. If you're clean on this one too, if it breaks down and tries, right here is another easy target 1 right here. Watch, let me show you that. Well, apparently I drew the wrong thing. Let's see real quick here, right? Drawings, fibs. Yeah, that's an easy target 1 for that one. Basically when it starts reforming up, and also it just made it these are called 3 white soldiers, meaning going up. And it broke down. Let me see where my next set of fibs were. I know I took this trade right here as well. And then, yeah, right here. This was a lot longer setup than I wanted as well. Here's one target, and then basically I like this one the most right now because you'll see the buyers are willing to pay more here, and these tops haven't been broken. And when they finally break with the last one, you'll see an angle difference here compared to any other angle. You'll see that one. And it just came out, but it was still a big fight. And all that did is go test VWAP, but I know that shape all the time. Let's get on to some other ones. This one, I didn't even touch this one. I don't know if Rob touched it, but yeah, this up and down, if you get this wrong, you're on this part. And then if it bases up, now here, I'll take this one all day long. I didn't take it, but yeah, that's an easy one. I take that target one every time. And then if you start seeing it base here again, that's just a larger one going there. And then this one is even easier because you'll see these two that the buyers are willing to pay more here. And then basically you just finally see that same shape here. It goes up, and it's just a larger formation of the same thing. And then right here, boom, I know I took that trade. So big chunk there. Let's see what else was going on. BMR, I think I took one, and Holo. And you'll notice I really don't care where the stock is because if it's trading, look at all this volume. And this is all basically under VWAP. So yeah, here's an early trade on BMR from the pre. You'll see it right here. Nice, easy, clean break. There's one run up, second run up, third. And then it breaks down, one run up, larger, second and third. Fake out, breakout here. Very fake out, breakout. Because it slammed pretty much right when it got here. So let me draw the fibs on this right here. I don't draw them on all those little algo garbage here. But yes, almost went to target 2, and if it comes up, it will hit target 2. And then it just breaks down. Here's another one I would have taken, because I know this little play here, right here, that's an easy play. But let me look at another one I got somewhere. Where I don't know where I was. Holo, then I want to show you really good after hours here. So I didn't get any of that Holo. None of this, and this is the exact shape right here. Perfect little play right here. That's so easy. All right, but right here, big shape to get up here. Kind of finally broke loose, and I missed it. I'm actually going to tell you I took this trade. And then I did wait for this. This is a long wait. It just slid down the whole time. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Still no higher high yet. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low. And then right here, when it breaks here, goes to target 1 and target 2. And if target 2 is around VWAP, I'm all down, because basically if you know shorting, it usually kisses VWAP before it fades off. And yeah, pretty much stayed under VWAP the whole time right there. But that's a clean, easy, quick trade compared to this longer trade. But eventually you'll see this shape as well. This is the same shape right here. It's banging on that door. I can tell you exactly, 2 indicators tell you exactly what that's telling you. And right here, it shapes up, finally breaks a little bit, comes back and retests real quick, and then goes up. So here's 1, 2, 3, fake out, breakout here, and then comes down, does one more ascending wedge right here. I can guarantee that's a target 1 right here. Yep, boom. And today, or yesterday, was the no indicator day. So I do it some days without indicators at all, because I'm really just trying to get used to more price action, because indicators are just telling you delayed information of this. So really just watching this, you'll see this went up and retested, and then this. I love that trade because I took it in the afternoon at a movie theater. We go to after hours, and I'm going to call it quits today. Sorry if things are getting a little slow, just a little late. I had a lot of lessons after pre. So Bree, right here, BREA. Clean, easy chart. And I will tell you where I took my trade. I actually did it right here, did the fibs on this. That's the nearest low. Here's target 1. And then target 2. Came up right here and kept breaking. So nice little platform. You see the buyers are willing to pay more here. That's your little thing to get all excited about. This is also a quick trend because it didn't break down as much. And then the next one right here, you'll see it break down more, but it did redo at the same fib level right here, that first fib level. That means it's a stronger trend. And right here, strong trend, and there you get an easy target 1. If you get a little extra lanyap, call yourself happy. Another way to look at it, you can look at this, target 1, target 2. If you want to do over the wicks, and then if you like flat bodies like Bowen, I personally like these, and usually if it's 1 wick I do that, but you can clearly tell that's the flat top right here. And then if you're bored and you got STT, check out some trend SNRs. They'll tell you what the SNRs. Busted right through here. This would have been an SNR right here. Comes right here. Right here. Just bust out again. So I didn't get this trade. Again, you don't need all the trades. Right, just this little move right here. You can make enough to retire on every day. So you take 500 shares on a, like a 50-cent move, and you get 250. So all good. Hey, y'all have a great day. Brio was really good in after hours, and this is kind of what we like in after hours. We just don't see him much in there because I think everybody's playing a little bit more in the open market. And when the open market's hot, sometimes after hours is good, sometimes they're not. But just make sure the stock proves itself. And after hours get a little cleaner chart sometimes, because if you go to the other one, see right here, came up here, did not break that area, and it just keeps on breaking down. So right there, you would just draw your trend line and nothing. Yeah, there's one right here. And if you drew the trend line, let's see what that looks like just for giggles. There's the top 2. That's usually the angle we draw right there. And if it breaks down and starts stair-stepping up, take the stair-step up. There's definitely nothing coming up yet until that. And then when that gets broken, that's the same exact shape here, and it's almost where the party started. So always look for that later on. If it's going to hold price, it's going to bounce where the party started and possibly do another one up to VWAP. And there you go. Hey, y'all have a great day. Hopefully we're going to have some live pretty soon where I'm just doing this on a chart, explaining it live while it's doing it. Just trying to work out the kinks for y'all. And y'all have a great weekend. Or night. Sorry, a little off today. Y'all have a good one.